I'm Jennifer Yi. I'm very excited to show you our new listing at 1235 Nightingale Court in Los Altos. Let's take a tour.
This modern craftsman-style home was extensively renovated with elegant finishes and delightful upgrades in 2017. It has all the technological amenities to meet contemporary lifestyle needs while still providing you with the warmth and comfort to call home. The open concept floor plan has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and over 3,500 square feet of living space. Featuring a spacious formal living room and dining room, an expansive great room with a cozy fireplace, high cathedral ceilings, and ample amounts of natural light. The chef's kitchen features quartz countertops, shaker cabinets, high-end stainless steel appliances, and a stunning wet bar with marble counters and a wine cooler. The beautiful Grand Master Suite has a large bedroom and a luxurious master bath with quartz countertops, an elegant bathtub, glass shower, and a walk-in closet. The home also features an entertainer's courtyard that has a fire pit, seating wall, and an outdoor kitchen barbecue area. This home is ideally situated in South Los Altos, only a few minutes away from the Los Altos Golf and Country Club, great schools like Montclair Elementary, Cupertino Middle, and Homestead High. You're not far from neighboring Sunnyvale and its downtown farmers market, Mountain View and the Google headquarters, and the Apple campus in Cupertino.
Thank you for taking a tour with me. If you have any questions or want to schedule a private tour, please contact me.